Well, we're late.
Yo.
Hold up, bro. Hold on real quick. I'm gonna run spy options and the full ES option book with SPX.
Mhm.
Oh, let's see. That didn't fucking work.
Mm. Some good volatility today.
Which one is this? This is ES options. Yeah. I guess you can share your screen or something.
Sure.
I don't. I gotta like fight this thing for probably 2 hours. I don't know.
Very slip rangy today. A lot of balance above us still. This whole move up has been pretty light as far as order flow is concerned. Could be setting up a new slip range here, but the orders are pretty weak. It's starting to thin out a bit.
All right.
Pushing the market down on a lot of selling right now. We did have a top tick of high of day. A lot of selling on that last move right there. But they did this earlier on the session to the buy side where they put in just a whole bunch of strong bids to prop the market up. Now they're spoofing up. They got a little bit of resistance here at 29s they need to get through. I think they're going to lift all the offers up through it. Looks like they are. Decent amount of bids hitting down here. Nice struggle grind up, but we are in a nasty slip range right now. 30s is kind of the level we got to see. Nice lift up through that level. Big spoof down. I think they V-flushed the top of that range, and now they want the bottom of it. Big selling hitting down here. The order flow does seem a lot more natural today than it has historically. Spoof up. Spoof down.
Oh, I burned all my Claude morning credits up, fucking trying to get it to diagnose some bullshit. All right. So I'm not getting the spy chain on till later. Sucks.
A lot of legitimate volume came in on that move. I have a suspicion they're going to spoof it back down. Yeah, I'll take that off for a point. Had a 25.75 short out at 24.75. I would have liked to see it trade back all the way through, but there's a lot of open interest support here. And I don't have enough precedence to know how they're going to react to that. The heat map is also very neutral in this area, which tells me indecision could go either way. Big
Oof,
spread.
fucking big buyer in either SPX or future options, one of the two. Which means there's a big reload on the offer side, so dump potential. We'll see. Unless they're slipping, which looks to be the case.
Yeah. We are on one big range for the time being.
Wait, what the fuck? How does that candle just disappear? Never mind. That means somebody came out on the other side? I don't know, dude. Some goofy shit going on here. So I guess whoever fucking sold it or bought it just came out and sold it.
Mm.
Hopefully this is not as fucked as I think it might be. These bars get back adjusted.
Some pretty legitimate bids came in there. We're testing the mid of the open interest profile, which is very offer heavy. So I am leaning on reject here. I think there could be a move down.
I'm pretty sure this big ass bar here is not correct. And is this fucking buy collector working? Should be.
I've got a 27 short. I'm going to take it off at 25.50. I think there could be more of a move down, but it's getting super grindy here. And there's open interest support to the bid side. So I just don't want to hang around and find out if they actually hold that and trade higher. But I will take those ticks where I can get them. we have 10 o'clock news today? We do. It's pretty light, though. There's the move down.
That shit seems fucked up.
10 o'clock news came and went.
Printing huge bars, but it will not freeze these bars as they should be.
There's a big auction taking place at the bottom of this range here. Spoof up.
SPX file, live file not present. Fuck. Oh, shit.
There's a new slip range setting up down here.
Not getting the SPX data in.
That's a bummer.
Yeah. And I burn all my fucking bullshit fucking little credits to 1 or whatever. Just read this shit off a command prompt. Let's see what.
Big spoof up.
We're at 13,000 SPXs. 7,200, negative 7,200 spies. Spy went from negative 1,300 to negative 7,200. So that push up could have been spy taking so much out. Positive 13,000. It's the Grandmaster. That's why command prompt. Grand. Maybe this will connect it.
Nice little spoof up. Had a long from 29 to 30.
I
Decent amount of buying coming in here. I just want to see proof that they want to push this higher because right now we're stuck in a struggle grind low.
Where are you? Message log.
Big shove down on a lot of legitimate selling too. See how they react to this 25 level. Beautiful lift up. Grabbed a long from 25.50 out at 28.25. Almost a 3-point winner.
Tasty trade, but it's SIBO data. But my scripts and all the way it all connects is a nightmare. There's like a million motherfucking command prompt windows I need to fucking run for fucking testing, and some of them seem like they need to run when I'm actually piping it into fucking tier charts. I don't know. We're at 8,600. SPY is going down substantially. They should be 9,800. SPX is going up. As we went up, SPX went up. SPY went up. Possible short. It's just a check for me. $1,700 SPY, 10,000 SPX. We're stuck on 29s. Is These are going up in size. That's telling me there's a fucking offer reloading, but they might get through that fucking offer right here on these option chains if they don't get through the bottom half of this shit. So you can see there's resting liquidity on 2850, but there was resting liquidity on 29s or whatever on the option chain, which you couldn't see. Spies up 1996, 10,451 SPX. Huge reloads somewhere here on the offers. This delta could be fucked here.
Yeah, this is kind of a weird area.
They did push through it. So there was a huge reload up there. It did work for now.
Changing character.
12,000. That's high. We went from 10,000 to 12,000 SPX 1998. SPY option is not changing. So there's a huge offer reload that happened across those markets, which did lead to that push down. Seems to be slip ranging.
Testing 25s again. Overshoot
1924 SPY 12,000 12K 234 SPX. So the offers have been maintaining on the way down. A lot of liquidity below us right here. 13,000 SPX. Offers are still maintaining a high presence as we're pushing down, but I will not short that. 8,300, negative 8,300 SPY. So there's a huge bid in SPY. SPY just hit a big ass fucking. SPY just hit a big ass bid.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of orders exchanging.
19,000 fucking SPX. That's gonna push us out the bottom.
Yeah.
There's no fucking way that ain't gonna push us out the fucking bottom.
That was
Maybe it won't.
Candle.
She's just churning here though. 17,000, 3,000 just came out. Picked up a tick. Short down there, kind of like 3,000 came out on fucking SPX, which I don't want to see.
Big old orders hitting.
Negative 19,000 on fucking SPY. Negative 24,000 on SPY. Big ass bid here. SPY is reloading fucking crazy on options. Like very fucking nuts. You're talking going from negative 19,000 delta to negative 24,000 SPY options. So there's a divergence between SPX and SPY here. They did push lower, so negative 24,000. SPY still 14,000. SPX is tapering off, which is what caused that to go back up. Some liquidity there on the 17s.
Yeah, there are some bids nibbling at it here, but I don't know if it's going to move the needle.
So SPY going higher on the delta is what's causing it to go down. 14,000. SPX is flat. 19,000 SPY, which is this a slip range? Sure is. I picked up a point long off 1775.
Nice.
SPX is tapering back from 14 to 13. $13,191. SPX is not doing shit. 15,000. SPY is coming off. This is looking more long biased based off of what they're telling us, but I'm not seeing rapid flow change, just unwinding. So this little, how it's compressing up here actually could, but I don't know. 13,172, not much of a change. 18,000 SPY jumped up high again by 3,000 contracts, which is a bit of a short sign, but the price action ain't responding to that one fucking bit.
Yeah, a nice little lift here. They've got a resistance at 22 we're going to have to get through.
13,000 by 16,000. Could pull back in. They're not really responding very nicely. Ooh, fuck. They didn't pull back in. They jumped high.
Nice lift.
Yeah, I got fucked. I'm getting smashed on that right now. I'm at 2050 short. Just took it up the ass really nice.
I've got
lost $2,400 down from yesterday. 17-0 on that fucking trade. We're fucked now. We're down 1,600. That's a strange fucking delta. They had the biggest swings were down in those 20s. And the slightest little churn or what have you above us didn't do fuck all.
Big order came in there. I had a 1925 long. I'm out of it.
Jeez, I got fucked there. SPX isn't doing anything. 6,700 SPY. Picked up 2 ticks off 24.75 long. Probably wasn't a good idea to be there. Still down 1,200. Possible continuation, but why'd you go long down there when I went short?
I dusted off the stock heat map, the glow one that you made a few months ago. Just because I was getting really good reads on it in high volatility, and today is pretty high volatility. And when we breached the bottom of this daily range or this intraday range, we put in a hot red, hot pink, and it's as we ranged, it started to change. We started to get some grays. It started to go dark green, and then on the breach, we had a hot green candle, and it was the first hot green candle we've had. And that was kind of my signal. We also had a bunch of orders exchanging down there. Like there was some really fucky shit going on. Like 500 lots were coming in, and then a 250 lot would come in, and then like there was an auction going on down there. And then the fact that we had so much balance above us, I hypothesized that sellers were going to get trapped, and that there was too much selling down there, and that they were going to get squeezed.
Went long on that pullback at 23, but I cut it for a point. There's a continuation. It seems like they still spoof with these option contracts because, like, I don't know though until it's all put together.
Yeah. You don't have the full picture quite yet.
SPX is climbing up to 16,000 from 13,000 to 16,000. 67 positive. SPY is seeing the biggest shift in character from negative 7,300 to positive 67. This is a slip range. They didn't even hit that liquidity up on. $13,000 positive. SPY is starting to flip from negatives to positives as we come up into this area.
Mm.
Positive 4,000 SPY, more flipping. SPX still in the 17s. $18,000 SPX is climbing. 5,000, 5,700 SPY. SPY is actually hot, getting higher than it ever has been. Tried to short it in the 27s, missed it. I figured they were going to slip that section.
Oh, yeah, there's
18,000 SPXs has climbed even higher. That this might pull back. It could continue down, but these 30-second bars printed with no change on options. Ooh, I had a heart fart. I hope I didn't shit myself.
I hope you did.
16,000 SPX is starting to taper out. So 2,000 just came out. 2,000 just came out of SPY as well. So between SPY and SPX, a fuckload of contracts just came off right here. So there's a bid here. There's a bid here, but it's funny because you don't see a fucking bid on ES at all right here on the order book. It's all in the fucking options chain. Fuck, it stinks in here. I just grabbed a, oh, god damn it. I had a long, and half of the orders came off. The other half I've just flatted when they did that. But I made 175 somehow. Hedged it. 19,000 fucking SPXs. But SPY is coming off. 22,000 SPXs. So it's climbing. Negative 3,400 fucking SPYs. There's a huge flip right here. So right, those 23s, if we're going to get on top of it, it's going to zoom because there's too much delta flipping in here. We'll see. Because if they get below it, maybe that was a shakeout. I don't know. So they came back in. It might be a fake out, shakeout.
Yeah, it's a tough read in this area.
23,000. Just staying on top of that price
Here's the
action. Well,
fucking lift I wanted.
I just
Goddamn.
fucking just took another fat little fucking loss right there.
I was in at 23.50 and I took some heat on it.
Lost. I lost 1,400. I'm down 2,000.
That was not easy to hold.
22,000. Negative 84,000 contracts and fucking SPY. That's really large.
God damn.
By the way,
fucking pits stink, dude. I'm sweating like a whore in church right now.
took another loss. Took a massive fucking loss and fucking just took another fat fucking loss. I was short in there. We're down $5,000 at this point. That was a $3,000 loss when they pushed that up. There's negative 83,000 SPY contracts, which is really high. For whatever reason, they went super high in SPY that I've not seen at all in those 23s. I got fucked. Continued to get fucked in that fucking section, which absolutely raped me. Down $6,000. Long at 29s. Let's see if I get fucked as it comes back downward. But seeing how there's 80,000 fucking contracts that came in, maybe they're gonna go to the highs. I don't know. But now I need like fucking 10 points to even get back to break even because of how fucked I got. Just get put on these nasty losing streaks.
A lot of liquidity sitting at 30.
I see this is going absolutely nowhere.
Oof. Had a long at 28, out at 29.25. Probably could have held it in hindsight, but I'm nearing the end of my session anyways. So I don't want to give anything back. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and log my trades. I am done. Up 261 before commissions.
$22,000 SPX is 69,000 SPYs. I guess these deltas are just as fucking unreliable as ES as far as reloads go. Just when they were going negative on SPY, the market was dumping. Now it jumped. And now they're compressing low for whatever reason. I felt like they would have jumped out of this range based off of seeing how 80,000 SPY contracts came in, but they didn't. The level of reliability is fucking horrific here. At least reading it off a command prompt.
Mm.
$70,000 fucking SPY lots.
Big old poop up right there.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I think because so many fucking SPY contracts came. How are you going to go from a couple of thousand to fucking tens of thousands and there not be a big move at some point? Nothing though. They take it in.
All right, I'm gonna cut my stream.